Hi everyone. So today we're going to do a mini video of how to create contacts in your Gmail email and how to create mailing lists. So let's get started. So we are going to go into your Gmail account. Now, one thing that you want to notice is that on the top right-hand corner, that's where you would have your logo for your email. And if you go all the way down right here, you have this cute, adorable little logo. It kind of looks like a person, and that's your contacts logo. So you want to click there. And you want to create contacts, but you want to go to the contact page. So if you just click this button right here, you see like when you put your mouse right there, you have this text box that appears underneath that says open a new tab. So you click that, and then you get the contacts tab. So what you have to do, this is a little bit time consuming, is you have to create your contact. But once you create your contact, then you have it in your email permanently. And then you can also create multiple mailing lists depending on your contacts. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this cute little plus sign that says create contact, and you're going to create a contact. You can't really do the create multiple contacts unless you have a specific file code for that, which most people probably don't have. So we're just going to be doing the create a contact one by one. So you click here, you would put the person's name. So we're going to do like Bob, and then you would put their email address. Now I'm just making up email addresses right here. So you would put in the actual email address. So I'm just going to be bob@gmail.com, and we're going to do save, and you have your contact. And when you see right here, you have a cute little one sign. That means you have one contact. Now I'm going to create a couple of more contacts just so that we can show how to create a mailing list after we've done our contacts. So we do, again, create contact, and then we're just going to call this Rob. And we're going to be like rob@gmail.com. We're going to do save. And then we'll create another contact. And we'll call this, let's see, straw. Yeah, strawberry. And we'll create one more. Oh, that's pretty funny. And we will create one more, and we'll call this dude. Yeah. All right. I know, very creative. So dude@gmail.com. Okay. So we have our contacts. Now the next thing that we want to do is we want to create a mailing list. So in Gmail, you don't really have mailing lists. You have something called labels. And what's really cool about a label is that you can actually create, based on your different email addresses, different labels. So let's say that you're trying to create a label for, let's say, communications or secretaries or VPs or just executives. So let's pretend that Bob and Dude were secretaries. So we click on Bob, we click on Dude, and in this button right here that kind of looks like a not really a trapezoid and not really a rectangle. So basically it's a quadrilateral type shape. And you see it has manage labels. So we're going to click this right here. Now we don't have any labels, and your labels is what your mailing list would be like. So we're going to be like create labels, and they were both secretaries. So this is going to be called secretary. So we have a label that created were secretary. Now, if you scroll down here, you'll notice that you have labels. So this is basically like your mailing list. Now, let's say that Rob and Strawberry, they were part of, I don't know, maybe they were VPs. Okay, so then we'll create another label here, and we're going to create a label, and we're going to call this VPs. So now they're going to be under the label of VPs. And if you scroll down here, you see you have labels and you have VPs. Now let's say all of them are part of the executive. So you want all of them in another mailing list, which would be executive. So then I select them all. I create my label right here, and I'm going to be calling this the executive. Let's see. There we go, executive. Okay, now how is this useful? Well, this is very useful when we're actually trying to send an email. So if we go back to the email and we are going to compose an email. Now you'll notice when we're composing an email, we have the to. Now let's say we don't really want to have everyone know who's getting this email. So you'd want to do a blind carbon copy, so BCC. So all you have to do is click this button and then BCC comes in. Now I want to send an email to everyone who is a secretary. So I just start typing in secretary and you see 2 members. So this is your mailing list that's going to be sending to everyone, which is secretary. So Bob and Dude. And then you would write your email. So test, hello, this is a test. And then you would click send. Now, obviously, I'm not clicking send because I just made up these emails, but that's how you would do it. Now, let's say you wanted to create an email and you wanted to send it to your entire executive. So again, you would click compose email, BCC. Now, if I click on executive, here I have my executive mailing list and it's all of my people on my executive. So I hope that helps. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.